One of the most meaningful expression of this growing partnership has been the organization of the Curaçao Ambassador Conference. It was held for the first time in history that we brought over 26 ambassadors in 2024 to Curaçao, allowing them to see and to feel the warmth of our country, not only as a beautiful destination, but also as a hub of opportunities, innovation, and connection. This year we did it again, when more than 20 ambassadors visit Curaçao. Early this year, we also hosted a diplomacy dialogue which allows us to continue shaping concrete collaboration in areas such as energy, education, and sustainable development. And I'm very pleased to announce that next year, please get your agenda, next year we will be organizing it again in Curaçao in May. So you will all get an invitation again to go to Curaçao, the Curaçao Connects edition, XL edition. Why we call it XL? Because we're going to go a step forward with this. We're going to make it bigger. And that's why we are building on this momentum and talking about our partnership to the new high.
Since you went away, my